Welcome students. Today we are going to learn how to connect circuit for half wave rectifier on this virtual platform, and we will observe input and output waveforms on oscilloscope controls given on the screen, and at last we will calculate the ripple factor. So friends, let's see how to connect the circuit. First, we connect sine wave generator with a diode, then diode to load resistance, and then we connect load resistance to ground. Now we connect oscilloscope and channel 1 and channel 2. So let's verify whether connection is correct or not. Yes, connection is right, and now we have to set load resistance. So I set the value of load resistance to 300 ohm, and now we are going to start the supply. So here I started the supply, and now we are going to observe input waveform and output waveform on oscilloscope. Here students, you can see channel 1 input signal, that is a sine wave, and its frequency is 1000 Hertz, means 1 kilohertz, and amplitude is 1 volt. We can also see output of the circuit from channel 2. Here you can see the rectified output of the circuit. We can see the output only in positive half cycle. So here we can just change the position Y of the waveform, and also we can scaling the input waveform. So I set it to 1.2, and here from channel 2 you can set the scaling. I also set it to 1.2. And here you can adjust the position X, time per division. Okay, so here we have demonstrated circuit connection, and also we have observed input and output waveform, and also learn the different controls, how to use different controls given for. Now we calculate ripple factor, and here formulas are given. Vrms equal to Vm by 2, Vm is the peak voltage, Vdc equal to Vm divided by pi. Ripple factor is equal to Vac divided by Vdc. Since Vac equal to under root of Vrms square minus Vdc square, and peak voltage is also showing in milliampere. So we use this calculator to calculate ripple factor. So for ripple factor we have to calculate Vac and Vdc first. So we use formula for Vdc equal to Vm by 5. So first we calculate Vdc, that is Vm by pi, and in our case Vm, the maximum voltage is 1 volt. So 1 divided by pi, that is 3.14. 1 divided by 3.14. So it is equal to 0.318. Okay, our Vdc is equal to 0.318. Now we calculate Vac. Vac equal to under root of Vrms square minus Vdc square. Vrms that we have calculated is equal to 0.5, and so Vrms square is equal to 0.25, and Vdc that we have calculated, that is equal to 0.318, and if we do square of it, then we will get 0.101. So I subtract Vrms square minus Vdc square. Vrms square, that is 0.25, and we subtract it, that is Vdc square is equal to 0.101. So we get 0.149, and now we take square root of it. So this is my VAC 0.386. Now to calculate ripple factor, we have to take ratio of VAC upon VDC. VAC, that is 0.386, divide by VDC, that is 0.318. So here we can see the value of ripple factor in our case is equal to 1.21.